Welcome back to episode 3 of Making Dinner with whatever I have in the fridge. We had some leftover patties from Father's Day and a bag of Hawaiian bread that went uneaten at our recent dinner party, and these mini cheeseburgers were a huge hit with my oldest. He usually doesn't like cheeseburgers or even eating Hawaiian bread on its own, but this combo blew his mind away and ate 4 in one sitting, which is technically a whole cheeseburger. I usually get the grass-fed beef patties from Costco, and if you haven't tried these yet, grab a bag next time you're there and make these mini cheeseburgers for your little ones and even for yourselves. They're so delicious, and I hope you enjoy.